Setting up this dash cam was extremely easy. So with the OBD2 port accessory right here, the wire just runs directly into here. No one notices it. Tucked under the weather strip all the way up to the headliner here. Step inside here. Underneath this headliner here, the wires run all the way across. This is a separate product, ignore that. All the way around to the dash cam. So it's powering from this one here. I have a GPS module here as well. And yeah, product works great. Picture quality is great. Very easy to use, very easy to set up.